Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Saki Tech, and here I am with my another video for you guys. So guys, hope you would like it, and if you did, so please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel so you will never miss any latest update from my channel. So guys, today I'm gonna unbox this universal mobile lens and amazing to get a better result in your iPhone or iOS device and Android device anyway. So guys, today I'm gonna unboxing this in my video. So guys, before watching the video, press the bell icon and subscribe my channel so you will never miss any update from my latest video. So guys, let's start the video. Let's unbox it. If you want to use these lenses, you must have an iPhone to get a better result your iPhone. How to carry these lenses, I'm gonna show you. The original camera. As you can better result like this, and macro like this, and wide angle will show you like this. So I'm gonna show you wide angle, the wide angle lens. Let's apply this. As you can see, it's an original camera. Result in your iPhone. Guys, thanks for watching my video. Press the bell icon